back with another video. So for this video, we're doing a mystery credit card unboxing. So it came in a FedEx package. And I have two credit cards that's supposed to be on the way, so I don't know which credit card this is. And the two credit cards I'm waiting on is the Navy Federal Gold Rewards, and I'm waiting on the US Bank Flex Perk Gold. So this is going to be one of those credit cards. So let's see which one it is. It is the Navy Federal. Haha. All right. So let's remove that right there. Got a little wave pay scan thing. All your credit card benefit stuff right there. And a lot of paper. All right. Nothing going on that one. So now let's look at this one. What is going on? All right, well, it's not much to show y'all on this one. Like my Discover It card, it had more stuff that I could show y'all, but I guess I'll show y'all what the card looks like. 1 second, gotta cover some stuff. So this is how the card looks. The Navy Federal Cash Rewards. That's how it looks. It's gold in it. It's green, and it also comes in MasterCard. So you either get a Visa or MasterCard. I chose Visa because I already have a MasterCard, and I like Visa better. So that's what I got. So that's how it looks. It's green, and my credit limit is $1,000, and my cash advance limit is $300 right now. So now let's go a breakdown of like what my score was and what everything was when I applied for it. So they don't have it on the paper like the one from the Discover did, but when I looked on the Experian app that has all three scores, it had like not like 727 or something like that, 720 something. So my credit score, and they pull from TransUnion. So when you apply for different credit cards and different credit, they're gonna pull from one of the three credit bureaus, which is Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. And Navy Federal, when you apply for their credit card, they pull from TransUnion. So I think my credit score is around like 727 from TransUnion. I have 5 accounts open. My credit utilization overall was 23%. I had 5 inquiries on my credit profile, and my average age of accounts was 1 year and 6 months. And they approved me for $1,000. And they also have a intro APR thing going on right now, and a bonus offer. So it's 0% interest for 6 months, and some sign-up bonus. I can't remember right now. Like $150 sign-up bonus after you spend $2,000. I believe that's what it is. So I got that, and that's pretty much why I got this card. I wanted to get into the Navy Federal credit because they offer like very high limits. So I'm kind of upset they ain't offering me a high limit on this one, but yeah, they usually offer high credit limits from what I can see from other people who applied. Yeah, so $1,000. I'm in here with Navy Federal. This is my credit profile looking like. So now we know what it was. It was the Navy Federal. So now we're just waiting on one more credit card, and I'll be doing an unboxing video on that one. And for this card, it is 1.5% cash back on all purchases. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.